Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Runaway Bay and we're giving you an update on the construction taking place at the Old Jewel Paradise Cove Hotel. The Jewel was bought out by the Royalton Group and they are upgrading the hotel to become a Royalton. It should reopen in 2026 and this is the property, and as you can see, construction, or I should say renovations, have started. So as you know, the north coast is booming with activity. Certain sections have a massive increase in hotels. Runaway Bay is probably the fastest growing area on the north coast outside of Draxall. So I guess it's the second fastest growing area. But one thing about Draxall has no hotels. I haven't heard of any plans to build any hotels in Draxall. But Runaway Bay now has hotels, and as you can see, they are renovating this one, and there are plans to build many more hotels in Runaway Bay. Actually, what could end up being the Runaway Bay has the largest hotel in Jamaica today, which is the Bahia Principal at 1,350 rooms. However, that won't stay the largest hotel for long because other massive developments are on the way. Actually, they plan to expand the Bahia, so it's it probably will regain the title as the largest hotel in Jamaica in terms of rooms. But a lot of hotels in Runaway Bay and a lot of other developments taking place here. I know some guys don't like when I use this example, but a KFC is opening up in Runaway Bay. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the renovation of this property. The north coast of Jamaica continues to solidify its reputation as the island's premier tourism corridor, with Runaway Bay St. Ann now at the center of one of the most significant hotel redevelopments in recent years. The transformation of the former Jewel Paradise Cove Resort into the Royalton Chic Jamaica Paradise Cove represents a multi-million-dollar investment in Jamaica's hospitality sector, promising both modern luxury and economic uplift for surrounding communities. The property was acquired by the TUI Global Hospitality Fund and is being managed by the Blue Diamond Resorts under Royaltton Chic brand, which is also affiliated with Marriott's Autograph Collection. Construction began in 2024 with a full opening scheduled for late 2026. This redevelopment marks the official entry of the Royalton Chic lifestyle brand into Jamaica, following its success in destinations like Punta Cana and Cancun. The vision is to create an adults-only all-inclusive haven that blends Caribbean elegance with a vibrant party-forward atmosphere. The Royalton Chic Jamaica Paradise Cove will feature 345 suites, which includes the expansion of 120 new Diamond Club beachfront suites alongside renovated accommodations from the former Jewel property. The design emphasizes elevated luxury with butler service, VIP check-in, exclusive lounges, and premium amenities available to Diamond Club guests. Runaway Bay offers a blend of tranquility and accessibility. Located about 1 hour from Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay and 40 minutes from Ian Fleming International Airport near Ocho Rios. The resort is strategically positioned for both international visitors and cruise-related tourism. Its beachfront location, set against the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea, ensures the natural beauty of the area remains central to the guest experience. The construction of the Royalton Chic Jamaica Paradise Cove is more than a simple hotel refurbishment. It is a statement of confidence in Jamaica's tourism industry and a signal of its future trajectory. By combining 345 modern suites, new luxury amenities, lively entertainment programming, and expanded beachfront accommodations, The resort is poised to redefine Runaway Bay as a hotspot for adults-only luxury travel. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.